Hi CSI agents, this is Captain Lily here to assist. We are looking at several clues and trying to solve this case. We are trying to find who the natural one is, and we've worked our way down to number 6. So, what are we looking at? We are looking at the intensity and standard of an earthquake. Alright, so first thing is you want to know what you're looking for. The question says, which earthquake is more powerful? Okay, hopefully you've looked at all the clues and read through the evidence, and it's brought you to all the information that you have here. All right, so in China, the Sichuan earthquake was 13,489.63 times more powerful. Okay, so we're going to have to add whatever we get to something else. Okay, all right, so it's more powerful than the Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion, which was 3.87 magnitude. So we know we're going to add something to 3.87. Okay, so what are we given? We are given the intensity of this earthquake. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to use that for my intensity. And then once you find your standard using the intensity, okay, you're going to add that to what's already been given because it says it's more powerful. And that will give you the magnitude. Now you're going to do the very same thing on the other side. So I hope this has been helpful. Again, you're only going to use this right here. And this is your intensity. And when it doesn't have a base, you learned in the last unit what the log is, or what your base is, when it doesn't have a base. So remember your log properties, your log facts, along with your exponential properties and facts. And this problem should be not too difficult. Good luck. I hope you find the natural one, and I look forward to seeing your projects.